Welcome back, guys. I'm EDC Connor, and today I have a Longines. This is a Longines for Master Collection, reference L275-9-4783, whatever. They could have come up with a better reference. To be honest, Master Collection, top of the line, Longines. Great watch, beautiful watch. I admire chronographs. I appreciate chronographs. Not a lot of people do admire chronographs and do not appreciate, but that's a really hard complication to achieve and to manage and to create, and especially you have to create the amplitude when you engage the chronograph. It needs to work. You do not need to lose the amplitude, and it needs to work correctly, and this is how you use it. 42 mils across the diameter, 21 mils between the lugs, and thickness is 14.2 millimeters. And yeah, case back here, you can see transparent case back here with the Longines caliber. This is the Longines caliber, but it's based on ETA. I think it's based on ETA. It's called L688, and it's a column wheel vertical clutch chronograph with a power reserve of 60 hours, and beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour. And it's just a great watch, and it's a good value for money. It's not really affordable, but on the used market, I think you can score with this one. And you can notice here blued hands, so they are not colored, painted. These are blued hands, and the dial is just amazing. I think they call this dial the barley or something, barley corn dial, and it's a great watch. 42 mils, sits well on the wrist, just works on the wrist, and it's very elegant, yet sophisticated chronograph. And I do love chronographs, and looking at this is a classic design, just great classic design, Arabic printed numerals, and it just works. I love it, and I could steer it for quite some time, but that's just me. Anything else I forgot to mention? Yeah, sapphire crystal, both ways, Longines Master Collection column wheel chronograph. Let me just show you. You can look at it. Nicely decorated movement. Just overall great watch. Water resistance on these watches is not something, it's good enough so you can occasionally splash it when washing your hands and whatnot. Do not swim, do not die with this. It has too many holes, and overall water resistance is not why you get this watch. Between the lugs, 21 mils. Now this is not the original strap, this is exotic reptile strap. I don't know which one, but it's a custom made strap. It's a bit longer, and it's just one heck of a watch for the price and for the money. These retail just below 3K, brand new, 3K Swiss francs. But what I recommend is find this piece used, and you will be very happy. It's not that complicated to service. Any watchmaker can do it, and overall great watch. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below.